Hi guys, hi. So I want to share with you guys what I got. I got a package from what's his name? I forgot his name. Yarn by Tolos. So it came in this package. This is how it was sent. Just a minute. This is how it was sent, and the packaging huku ndani kuliweka hizo nini, so it was very super safe. Yeah, details, my details and all. Yeah. So this is yarn. I received this yarn from Tolos, and oh my god, guys, I am speechless. I am speechless because this yarn is super soft, and I just decided to unbox this with you guys because I wanted to do it today morning, but my brother was having a class and he was using the camera, and also I thought, oh, let me do it later, but I came late. So as you can see, I'm filming at night in the evening, so that's the different setting and all. But guys, I don't know whether it can focus. Can it focus? Please focus. Please focus. Please focus. Yes, it has focused here. This yarn is super pretty and I can't wait to work with them. They are 200 grams each, so I have 200 grams, and wow, I am loving it. I think I will see which knit sticks I'll use for these, but I have a variety of knit sticks that I can use, so I'm just going to see what works best. And I think I'm going to do a tiny sweater top or something, maybe a crop, because it's 2 balls of yarn. So let me look at the length. Maybe the length will tell me. So it's 225 meters, 100 grams. So I'll be able to know how much it will be able to, what size it will be able to make after I compare this length with the length of my normal yarn. That way I'll be able to know. But it seems longer actually. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, this is super lovely. Guys, I look tired because I'm just from school. I went to school at 10 and I've been working the whole day. So yeah, that is the reason why I look tired and all. But I just said I can't leave my people like that. I have to show you the yarn that I got, and I will put up the Instagram page of the guy who sent me this yarn. He is also a yarner. He is multi-talented, guys, and he has been featured on Fiber Chats by Irina, the channel that I was also featured in. So go watch his episode. It's super nice. He is also a surgeon, guys. He's a surgeon doctor. Yeah, go check him out, and I'll put up his Instagram handle here so that you guys can go check him out. He needs. Thank you so much. I appreciate this yarn. And I'm also going to do a review of the yarn that Irina and Joe K sent me. As soon as I receive them, I'm going to do a review. So guys, thank you so much. I can't wait to work on this. I'm having my tea. I've put my tea ready, and I'm basically just going to knit away. So I'm going to see what I'm going to knit with these. They are super nice. So I haven't told you what it's made of. So it's 70% baby alpaca. Guys, if you don't know alpaca is an animal. It is in the family of the llamas, but it is mainly grown for the fur, and the fur is super soft and it comes in very many colors here. So go to YouTube and check the history of the alpacas. So yeah. Then 20% said, I don't know what said is, but I will research. 10% cashmere. I am done, guys. Do you know how expensive cashmere is? So if this has 10% cashmere, Guys, I am super excited about this. Wow. And instructions have been given that you need to hand wash whatever you make with this. So musieke kwa washing machine, guys. So yeah, I can't wait to work on this. Thank you so much. And by the way, I'm rocking Ofranit's scrunchie. I did this scrunchie and it's made of yarn. So if you want a scrunchie, holler. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you next time. 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 Yeah, okay, bye-bye.